Okay, here is my black bean Mexicali beans, and I bought these corn tostadas at Dollar Tree. So I want, let's see, a little cheese. These are going to be good, and this is these beans are really good left over. And a little, I'll have a little sour cream. Sour cream's good on these. And a little salsa. I keep salsa in this stockpile. It's going to be good. And a few tomatoes is nice if you have them. So there are my Mexicali black bean tostadas. Let me try these. I'll tell you how they are. If it's crummy, I'll say it doesn't taste good. I made these many times. These are really, really good and really, really cheap. And I have a little raspberry twist tea. I like this raspberry twist tea. I'm glad somebody mentioned it in the comments. I probably would have never tried it. Well, I probably would have tried it. Probably would have gotten around to it eventually. And I can't add my sugar yet because I didn't bring a spoon. So let's see here. So this makes a lot of beans, and this is going to be good on a bodybuilder salad. Brown rice, beans and hamburger, and what was the last thing on top? Rice, beans and hamburger, and salsa, I think, and cheese. And sour cream. And here's my banana bread and cookies to go with my tea. And so this is a cheap little dinner, and it's tasty too. See, my teapots are recovered. So okay, you guys, there's the Mexicali refried bean tostadas. Easy, you gotta try this. This is good. God bless you all.